Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator Urban Gardener, and today I'm going to show you how to use a refill pack from TnBnaturals. So what I have here is a refill pack of the enhancer from TnBnaturals. TnBnaturals, #1 under the sun. Shake it once a day and your plants will love you for it. When your original bottle of enhancer has been spent after approximately 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how you use the enhancer, how many times you shake it. For instance, if you were to shake it once a day, or if you were to shake it every other day, depending on the size of your tent. Once it's spent, it'll be time to either get yourself a new bottle or save yourself a little money by just getting yourself an enhancer refill pack. First thing you're going to want to do is unscrew the top of your old enhancer bottle. Then you will take your old enhancer bottle, discard of the contents, and give it a little rinse. Nothing too major, because you're simply going to be making more CO2 with the same basic product. Now, you're just going to want to open your refill pack. It's a simple screw top. Once you have your top off, simply set it aside, and you'll see that it is a nice little pour spout, and you can see the contents that makes your wonderful magical CO2. Simply pour it in like so. Go ahead and put the spout inside the enhancer bottle. That way you won't get any spillage. You'll have to shake it around a little bit just to get all of that goodness inside the refill pack into your bottle. You might find that you'll get a little clumpage in there. What you'll do is just shake that down to the bottom there, and then simply mash up the little bit of clump that you have in there and just make it back into a powder form that'll fit through the nozzle. And what happens is just a little bit of moisture will get in there, and that's what can create a small clump. Not a big problem. Like I say, just break it up. This is part of the reason we do these tutorials, just so you know what you might encounter. Now once I have that broken up, I can go ahead and pour the rest of the contents through the spout into my bottle. Once you have all of that goodness in there, all you'll need to do is add your 1 liter of lukewarm water. Now all you do is you take your lukewarm or room temperature water and carefully pour it back into the enhancer bottle the same way you did when you originally made your enhancer. Carefully, and you just want to get as much of that liter of water in there. It's nice to have a little pitcher with a spout or something on it like this. Now that we've got our refill in there, we've put our water in, we simply screw back on our old TNB top, and we're going to rehang this in the garden. Now we just need to hang it in our hanger, which I'll do magically like this. Pow! See, just like that, it's on. And remember, make sure that you put your O-ring underneath the enhancer's gray lip right here, and not just under your top. I believe this is to help disperse the gas as it comes up and over the bottle. There you go, it is on top of the bottle. Now there's only one last thing to do, and that's to give it a shake. And there you have it. It is set, and when it's through, get yourself a refill pack. Maximize your crop's yield. Keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.